Hello, hello. It's Sunday at nandito na naman po kami ang aming last minutes na ganap-ganap. We really did not plan this at all. It was only 2 hours ago and we were like, okay, kailangan nating magkita-kita bago mag-start ang school. Okay, so what do we have? So anong tawag mo dito, Diyang? So is this Thai, ha? Ano to? Parang mga kwan naman yan, mga innards. Tapos, merong gulay. Ah, ikaw akala ko siya nagluto. Okay, meron kaming miswa. Yes.
Gusto yung kunti lang yung. What is this? Not chicken? It's not chicken. It's
fresh kikabas. Uy, para sa ano yan? Halo-halo. It's for the halo-halo. Ito muna. Sige, may pamilya. Kumain na kayo, ha? Everyone is hungry. May mga pa-desserts. Tapos maghahalo-halo mamaya. Ay! Oh wow, Ella. Deja vu. It feels like I just saw you. Because I just saw you. Parang inaantok pa siya. Oh. Sige, nagkagulo na naman ang aming barangay. Sige, Garod. Sige, yung Thai food. Ay, puro bowl? At diba, ano nga naawit ni Andre Aji plato?
What is that?
Oh, sorry.
I have another atay here.
Nagkagulo ang barangay namin. So, ito ang aming huling birit. Huling birit because school is gonna start in 2 days. So, this is our last family get-together before school starts again.
What?
Ito kami sa bundok. Look at this. This is our favorite picnic place.
Exactly, it's RG.
Where is Tio, Emres, yung mga Junakis ko?
I'm sorry.
Okay, kakain na rin ako. Okay.